Transferring files via FlashFXP. This tutorial will show you how to transfer files to and from a server via FlashFXP. First, we need to connect to the server. You will need to configure FlashFXP with the account information prior to attempting to connect to the server. For more information on configuring the account information, refer to the tutorial Configuring Accounts in FlashFXP. Click the Sites menu. Select Site Manager. Click the Connect button. Next, we will upload a file, but first, let's change to the remote directory where we want to upload the file. Double-click the CGI bin directory. Click the file. Click the Transfer Selected button. Next, let's change the permissions on the file. New files will not be executable by default. CGI scripts will need this permission granted in order to work. Right-click the file. Select Attributes Chmod. Click the Execute checkboxes. Click the OK button. Now, let's go back to the document root for the site and upload our images directory. Double-click the parent directory. Click the directory. Click the Transfer Selected button. Since there already is an images directory on the server, a new directory will not be created. Instead, the files on our local directory will be uploaded to the existing one on the server. If any file names already exist for the files in the directory, FlashFXP will prompt us to confirm before overwriting them. Next, let's change to the local images directory and then download one of the existing files in the remote images directory. Double-click the directory. Double-click the directory. This file was uploaded when we transferred the contents of our local images directory. Let's download this file. Click the file. Click the Transfer Selected button. Entire directories can also be downloaded in the same manner as they're uploaded. Multiple files or directories within a directory can be selected to upload or download by holding the Control key and clicking the file or directory to add it to the selection prior to initiating a move, deletion, or change to the permissions. Classic Mac OS, Windows DOS, and Unix-based systems, such as Linux and OS X, all have different hidden characters that symbolize a new line in text files. When transferring text files, such as scripts, web pages, HTML, and other text documents from one system to another, you will need to transfer them using ASCII mode so that these characters are converted so that it is compatible with the new system. Transferring other files, such as images, compiled applications, etc., need to be transferred using binary mode, as the attempt to convert them will corrupt the files when they're transferred. In most cases, the default auto mode works fine for detecting which file types need to be transferred in ASCII mode and which ones need to be transferred using binary mode. The transfer mode in FlashFXP is a global option that can be specified in the preferences under the Options menu. Congratulations! You now know how to transfer files to and from a server via FlashFXP.